-1/2 एस स्क्वायर, और ये क्या आएगा एक्स सिग्मा डी एस। तो सिग्मा से सिग्मा कैंसिल आउट हो गया, है कि नहीं? सिग्मा से सिग्मा कैंसिल आउट हो गया ना, सिग्मा इज ए कांस्टेंट ना। सो व्हाट विल बी दिस, इसमें टी छूट गया यहाँ पे टी, तो इट इज 1/√2 पाई माइनस इंफिनिटी टू इंफिनिटी e टू द पावर टी म्यू e टू द पावर टी सिग्मा एस e to the power minus 2 s square ds. What we can take common? P mu we can take common. Okay. So minus infinity to infinity, and we can write like that. Okay. So what will be this? E to the power minus 1/2 s square minus 2 sigma ps ds. We can write in this way. Okay. So e to the power t u, sorry, t mu √2 pi. So we can complete the square e to the power minus 1/2. How we can write it? We can write this way: s minus sigma t का square, okay, minus sigma square t square. We have complete the square here, okay. So this is what this part will be come out. Now we can this part will be come out a to the power t mu upon √2 pi minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus 1/2 s minus sigma t का स्क्वायर into e to the power sigma square t square by 2 ds. So this part will come out. Okay. So what is this now? E to the power t mu plus sigma square t square by 2 1 upon √2 pi minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus 1/2 s minus sigma t का square dx. Now let s minus sigma t is equal to, okay, now let √2, we can write it v. So this we can take out. So what will be this? So this will be s is equal to sigma t plus √2v. So what will be ds? ds will be √2 dv. Okay. So this will be changed to mxt will be equal to, now what will be this? E to the power t mu plus sigma square t square by 2 √2 pi minus infinity to infinity limit will be there. Now what will be this? I have taken 2 to under root. Okay. Then what will be this? E to the power it is what? E to the power minus v square. Okay. अंडर रूट 2 dv. अंडर रूट से अंडर रूट कट जाएगा. तो माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू इन्फिनिटी माइनस dv. Can you tell me what is the value of this? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what is the value? Now we need to, let's say it 1, equation 1. Okay, let's say this equation is 1. Let's say it is 1. Now calculate this integral. We need to calculate this integral minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus v square. If we can calculate this integral and we can put the value, we will get the answer. So this is a even function. So this will be 0 to infinity e to the power minus v square dv. Okay, let v square is z. Then what will be v? V square z. Then what will be this dz? V will be under root z. So this will be dv will be okay. So this will be this integral. This implies minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus v square dv will be converted to 2 times 0 to infinity e to the power minus z 1 upon 2 under root z dz. So 2 times 0 to infinity. ओके 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, है कि नहीं? e to the power minus z under root z dz. How we can write it? 0 to infinity z की पावर minus 1 by 2 e to the power minus z dz. So what is this? 0 to infinity. Z I can write 1 by 2 minus 1 e to the power minus z dz. So what is this? This is gamma 1 by 2. गामा 1 by 2 का वैल्यू क्या होता है? अंडर रूट पाई. ओके, so we got minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus v square dv. Okay, so from 1 and 2 we get mxt e to the power, what was that? t mu plus sigma square t square by 2. और यहाँ पे क्या था? 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट पाई था, और इस इंटीग्रल का ये था माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू द पावर माइनस v square dv. नाउ यू कैन पुट द वैल्यू हेयर. So 1 upon under root pi. So this is under root pi. So this implies mxt is equal to e to the power t mu plus sigma square t square by 2. So in this way we can calculate MGF, moment generating function for normal distribution. Okay.